In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to start an LLC in Indiana in 25. Now, you might be wondering how to get this done without breaking the bank. I've got some exciting news. If you click the link in the description or the pinned comment, you'll find yourself on a special page where you can kickstart your LLC journey for just $0. That's right, you only pay the mandatory state fees with no hidden costs. So, don't forget to check that out, and let's get your business up and running smoothly. First things first, head over to taylorbrands.com. Once you're there, you'll want to select Indiana as your state for establishing your LLC. Hit the Get Started button to progress. Next, you'll be asked to enter your business name. After typing it in, click on Try this name to see if it's available. Once confirmed, click Next. At this point, you'll need to clarify what your business will offer. You'll see options like physical goods, services, leisure and hospitality, original content, technology, and software, or other. Select the one that best fits your business and then proceed by clicking Next, or skip this if you want to fill it out later. Now, reflect on the stage your business is currently in. Whether it's just an idea, you're taking the first steps, about to launch, or already in business, select the option that best describes your status. Then move on by clicking Next or skip this step. Decide when you plan to launch your business. Options include as soon as possible, in a few weeks, in a few months, or more than 3 months. After making your decision, click Next or Skip, depending on whether you're sure about your timeline. Next, you'll need to identify your business industry and specify what you intend to offer. Choose between physical goods, professional services, or type your own if it's not listed. Once done, hit Next or Skip if undecided. Consider whether you're planning to hire employees within the upcoming year. Answer with yes, no, or not sure, and then click Next. Have you set an annual income goal for your business? Options include less than 80,000, more than 80,000, or I don't know yet. For your business location, enter your postal code and indicate where you'll serve your customers. Whether it's online, at a brick and mortar location, or on the go, make your selection and click Next or skip if you're uncertain. Here's one for you. What else are you planning for your business? Select LLC and proceed by clicking Next. You may also answer if you've taken any preliminary steps for your business by checking the appropriate boxes or selecting none of the above. Click Next or skip as needed. Share how you discovered Taylor Brands and click Next or skip this part. You'll be invited to join a free 12-week coaching program aimed at running a successful business. Choose to join or decline, then continue by clicking Next. Fill in the necessary information for your business such as your first and last name and phone number, and then hit Next. You may now choose to obtain your EIN, which is essential for opening a business bank account and hiring employees. Taylor Brands offers assistance, or you can handle it yourself by visiting IRS.gov. It's quick and free to apply for an EIN directly there. After returning to your Taylor Brands setup, click Next. You might want to explore their branding toolkit, so decide whether you'd like to invest in it and proceed. Decide on the urgency of forming your LLC. Choose expedited filing for quicker results or standard processing. Select what you prefer and click Next. Consider enhancing your professional image with a formation kit and get real-time alerts to stay updated. Make your selections and continue on. Finally, you'll see the Light LLC plan is $0, with Indiana state fees being $97, and invoicing and bookkeeping are included at no extra cost. Here, you can enable additional features like annual compliance, expedited filing, and more, which will adjust your total due. When you're ready, choose to pay either via PayPal or with a credit card by hitting Continue to Payment. Follow the prompts to complete your transaction. Just like that, your Indiana LLC is officially on track. Remember to click the link in the description or pin comment to leverage the $0 LLC setup page, covering just the state fees. Why wait any longer? Start forming your Indiana business today.